Hello guys, this is Shuk from the Backwarders and welcome back to another view of my vlogs. Yes guys, yes, I'm on a bicycle now. Yeah, I'm not holding the camera. It's not holding the camera. So yeah, probably this is a stand. So yeah, it's gonna rain probably. Let's see what we're gonna do. This bicycle thing. See ya guys. Hold on. Yeah guys, I'm with my dad here. And yeah, we're gonna see if the rain didn't fall. Because I think it's going over there. The rain's something there. We're running away from the rain. And we're probably going to the side of the beach. Yeah. Ayo. Yeah. Siapa? Hold on. Yeah guys. I can hear the thunder. Oh, this place is beautiful. Yeah guys, I can't really show you guys around me. And it's because you guys, this camera is gonna fall. So yeah, probably. You know, this is a Pokemon star right here. That wood thingy? Yeah, that's a Pokemon star. For those kids out there, please remember, after crossing the road, and before crossing the road, please do look right, left, and right again. Yeah, that's my brother's school. Parsonage Crest Secondary School. Last year, I mean, when he was secondary, but now he's ITE. So yeah. Again, for those kids out there, please do, before crossing the traffic light, please do look right, left, and right again. And when you walk already, look them, you walk across the street. I mean, across the road, and probably right, left. And straight, I mean. See ya guys. Probably with that. Yeah, probably remember to do this. Like maybe there's a car there. Like stop. Yeah, but without saying stop. So yeah. Let's go with the lessons. I mean like traffic lessons and so on. Alright guys, we're going to the beach line. Shoreline, if you say, going to the park, I guess, yeah, which is right in front of there. Right in front, you guys can see it. And yeah, probably when I take a break or something, you guys can see it. So yeah, never let you go, never let you down. Alright guys, change of plans. This road, bus engines. This road has been construction, and that's why it's so noisy. Yeah, that's why it's so noisy. Oh my gosh, it's so noisy. The rain is like coming from there. Okay. Oh no, change of plans. The rain is coming from there. We're going towards the rain. Go! Attack! Yeah guys, rain, go away. Come again another day. So yeah guys. Please do attack some of the rain. Please do attack some of the rain. I mean, please do attack the rain. Because yesterday morning, I mean early in the morning, like midnight morning, I can't sleep. It's because of the thunderstorm. Yes, it's like crazy, guys. I mean, like I can't sleep in Pasir-Ris in Singapore. Bus engines. Another coach engines. So yeah guys, if you look, hold on. Oh, come on. Come on guys. Alright guys, this building and that building over there are in construction. And yeah, and look at this building as well. Hold on. Oh, it's raining. Oh gosh, I'm just going so fast. going so fast. Not we miss. Ah! Ah! Okay, guys, I'm running away from the rain now. Go that way, not that way. Go that way. Why am I going that way? You crazy drivers. Actually, you are indoors. It's a good run. So yeah, guys, here's the plan. We're going in this road. Come on. We're going to this. Oh, you guys can't even see it. Now you guys can see this forest. Yeah, forest time. Actually, every forest in Singapore except one is restricted by army. Yeah. Going so fast. You spin well. Yeah, across the traffic light or straight? Yeah. Alright, guys. Ooh, downtown is. Downtown East is at the left of here. If you guys can see. Let me go in front of me. Yeah, can I go in front? You can see right there. Downtown East, yeah, baby. Woo. There is an indoor fun fair. Wow. It's a shopping mall. It's a fun thing. This is where the Horror Nights. Last time, Horror Nights was celebrated here. Halloween, I mean. Yeah, and all my stuff inside, drinks, other phone. Yeah. Whoa! There's a new building for Downtown East. And it's at Downtown East. Wow, and here's the car park. Now guys, this place is haunted. We're going through the haunted places, guys. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys, we're going towards the rain again. I like this. I like these houses right beside me. I hope you guys can see it. Wow, there's a modern house there. There's a condominium right there. There's under construction. I'm loving life. Guys, I'm living life, guys. Alright, guys, construction right in front of us. I have to go to the road. We have to go to the road. Come on, construction. Come on. Yeah. Alright, we are on the road now, guys. We are on the road now. Alright, alright guys, hold on. Yes! I fall down. Okay, I'm ready, guys. Alright. We're going. There's a haunted place here. I don't really think that's haunted already. Yeah, but still. It's nearby the haunted river, which you can make it haunted. Right, guys, right? Yeah, that's right. Alright, go. I almost got hit by a bush, like, boom. Oh, that was close. Hit my hair right there. Beautiful hair, beautiful hair. Look at this leaf. Poison ivy. Poison ivy. No, there's no poison ivy in Singapore, guys. There's no poison ivy in Singapore. Whoa! There's a sewers. I almost get into a sewers. Crazy, guys. Alright. Back in action Alright, we are going right beside. Yeah, back in action in the road. Back to action in the road. There's a bus right there. Okay. Wow, I'm moving. Look at these houses, guys. It's like a mansion. Well, I guess it's a mansion. Look at that. How cool is that house, right? That's super cool. Cherry Loft. Nice name. Alright, guys, I'm definitely in the middle of a road here. Oh shoot, there's a car. You know what, guys? There are some places that. Oh, it's a monkey. Monkey! No, seriously, there are some places that patrol this place. That's what they do, right? Patrol stuff. And yeah, sorry guys if the camera is a little bit tilted. Oh shit! Ah! Alright guys. Sorry if the camera is a little bit tilted. I have to do that because of the iPhone cover. I guess I will do this at part 2. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna end the video for you guys. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to the channel and join the Background Brothers team like you guys always do. So yeah guys, if you are new to this channel, first time watch me play, I just want to say hi, my name is Shukri from the Background Brothers. Okay? First time watch my videos, hi, my name is Shukri from the Background Brothers. And welcome to the Background Brothers channel. I'm 10 years old now. And yeah. Probably please do subscribe my channel and join the Background Brothers team like you guys always do. I just say that for the ocean. Alright. Hey guys, see you later, alligator. We'll see you next time. Goodbye. There's a part 2 one.